Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a DOOGEE T40 Pro and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with 2 bars icon or a strange icon basically, and you will open the recents. And if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold it somewhere here, something like that. And here we've got the recents. Now all we have to do is to scroll to the left and tap on clear all. Just tap on it. Now we got back to the home page, so we can open the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Sometimes your device will leave one app opened, but no worries. All you have to do in that case is to simply swipe it up like that manually. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.